Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the cabinet light bulb in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the light lens cover. Unthread the old bulb. When installing the new cabinet light bulb, use tissue to help protect the bulb when threading it into the socket. Reposition the light lens cover and rethread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.